Hello, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. What I want to do today is I want to show you how I make a junk journal for Christmas out of a paper bag. I think this is going to be really cute. Now these are just great value paper bags. You get 50 bags. They are 6.5 by 4 by 12 and 3/8. So just pick them up at Walmart. And then I have this Hot Buy Evergreen Conifer book that I'm going to be using the paper out of. I thought it would make a really cute little Christmas junk journal. Okay, the first thing you need to do is just get your paper bag. I've already folded one here because I had to work on it to see exactly how I wanted to do it. Okay, this is a really crisp bag, so we'll try that. I know there's tons of people that do these type of videos, but this, I didn't watch anybody to see this, so I don't know, okay? So what I ended up doing, I just played around with the bag, and you can see it already has this little fold here. So what I did is let me get my bone folder out, and I might get my scoreboard to get crisper lines, okay? I just folded this over at its natural fold, all right? And then I just creased it. I made this really simple, okay? And then all I did was then I folded this in to get a really good crisp fold once again. And that is all I did for my little when you get it like this, just fold this in and then fold that over, all right? Now all we have to do, I'm going to get my art glitter glue out. And I'm just going to use this to put this on. It definitely gives you some wiggle room, but I thought this would be a really cute little and it's not so Christmassy that you couldn't use it, you know, after Christmas. That's one thing that I like. And I liked seeing some of this paper bag behind it. And you could ink this up around it if you want. I'm not going to, but that's going to be our front. I think that's really cute, okay? So then when you open it up, I thought I would put this on this side. And let me tell you how big I cut these. The front, because I wanted to see some of that paper bag coming around, I cut this at 3 and a little over 3/4 wide. And then 5 and 5/16 in the length, but it'll depend on your paper bag. Then I wanted my insides to be a little bit smaller, so I cut them 3 3/8 by 5 5/8. Make sure, yeah, okay. So I'm just going to put this right on here. Then I thought I would put this on here. It's another piece of paper that I cut while I was working on this little deer. I cut it off of there. And I have this little stamp, and I thought it would be cute to put it on here and just stamp it on there so that you would have lines to write in. You could also add little coffee dyed papers if you want. I want to keep this really simple. I'm going to put it on like that. I could just move this over. And up just a little bit. Try to line it up with those grids. Okay, that's supposed to be straight. Then I'm going to take my Distress Oxide in Black Soot And then I'm just going to close this. On that top, I needed to get it a little bit better. Okay, then we'll re-stamp it. That's the great thing about a MISTI. Oh, it's this is keeping it from stamping. Okay. There we go. Now we'll get our bag out. You could have left this plain if you wanted, but I wanted to do it like that. I think it's really cute. We're just going to put okay, so this is what we're getting so far. I'm sorry, I lost some footage. What I did is I used this, and I used this 1.5 inch hole punch, and I just punched it there so you could still see a little bit of that for our pocket. And then I said I wanted to find something to put inside that pocket. And I glued this on the back. And I said that what you could do, I could have put a magnet under this page and then put it under this paper, and it would have secured. It would be more seamless that way. But I think it's really an adorable little junk journal. It's so cute. And I love how this paper coordinates with the paper bag. Now let me see what I want to put inside of that. Okay, I was in my stash looking, and what I found were these Paper Studio envelopes that I picked up at Hobby Lobby quite some time ago, all right? And I noticed I cut a little bit off somewhere. I think it was just off of this end. But it will fit right down in here and make another flip, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to glue this right down in here. Okay, and I'm still just using that one paper pack. I could have centered that better, but that's okay. It's a junk journal, all right? Then what I wanted to do was I'm going to put this down here. And I left this one a little larger because this envelope is a little larger. And I liked how that looked. Then I got some of these little cutouts. I could either put that or this, but I like Let It Snow. And then I've had these little frames for a long time, and I thought that would be adorable. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue this to this. And they fit very well. Is that not really cute? Now I'm just going to put this about right there. All right, now for my pockets right here, what I want to do so people will know this is actually a pocket, I'm going to take this hole punch that's 1.5, I'm going to come down in here, try to center it. Okay. I think that is really pretty. Almost looks like you're looking out a window. Okay, so there is that. And now I just want to make some tags out of the various paper that we have. So I have this tag punch. I'm going to put this one in here. Such a cute little tag, and you can put little strings on them if you want. Now I think I need to cut these down because I don't think I have them cut down enough. Maybe I do. Okay. We'll just kind of finish rounding that one. There's a tag. And then I thought I would put this one in there. All right, there's our tags. And you can journal on the back of these tags if you want. But I think it's really cute, so I'm just going to stick these in here. Like I said, you could put jute or some kind of twine. Okay, and then I have another pocket on the other side of this flap, and I thought I would put this in. I think it's just going to make it look more finished. Okay, then I'm going to take this, same principle, don't do what I did, but I think it still turned out great. And then I can put this in this pocket. So let's take a look at it. I really love how this turned out. It's so easy to take a paper bag and make such a very interesting little junk journal. You can see you can make so many flips and tucks. I needed to find something big to put down in here, so for now I just put this and this. You could always close up that bottom some if you wanted. Journaling spot back on the back of these. Or like I said, you could put coffee dyed papers in here and sew them in. Then you come over here. I really love that. That would have really been a pretty front too. Then you have this with some more journaling spots. You have this, and that's the end. So if you enjoyed this really cute and simple video on how to make a junk journal using a paper bag for Christmas, then please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.